In March of 2019, the Indiana State Board of Education will make a historic decision about the future of T.C. Howe Community High School. Before they make this decision, a school transition task force is looking for community input on their options. If you'd like to participate in the community discussion about the future of Howe, take a minute to learn more about the possibilities for this Indianapolis high school. The State Board of Education agreed that Howe High School would transition away from Turnaround Academy status after being managed by Charter Schools USA since 2012, and they have a set number of options to accomplish this goal. The first option would be to return Howe to its original school corporation, which would be Indianapolis Public Schools. Now, after the State Board announced this transition plan, IPS released its Reinventing IPS High Schools report. IPS approved and voted on this report, which recommends not operating the building once it's returned to IPS operations from turnaround status, as part of its overall plan to restructure the city's education effort, meaning the school will likely be closed under IPS. The second option would be to direct Charter Schools USA to pursue a charter to continue operating the school through one of the state's charter school authorizers. This would mean CSUSA would go through an independent application process to continue their ability to operate Howe High School. If they're successful in a charter application, they would then operate the school under the authority and approval of whatever organization granted the charter. The final option, depending on any number of factors, including the long-term sustainability of any proposed plan, would be to close or merge the school with a higher performing one, in which case a transition plan would be put in place to account for the students, teachers, and staff. A school transition task force of expert community leaders is actively seeking community input on the future of this school. Search for @SchoolTaskForce on Twitter and Facebook to learn how you can participate in the discussion around Howe High School's future.